Hi, I'm Greg, and I'm with On-Site Storage Solutions.
Hello everyone. So we are here at the depot checking out our inventories. Shipping container depots are specialized facilities designed to store, maintain, and manage shipping containers. These depots are a critical part of the supply chain, ensuring containers are ready for their next journey. When a container arrives at the depot, the first step is inspection. Containers are checked for any damage or wear and tear that might have occurred during transit. We inspect every container thoroughly to ensure it meets international shipping standards. This includes checking for any physical damage as well as ensuring the seals and locks are intact. Once inspected and repaired, containers are moved to the storage area. This is where they wait until they're sold or rented. We use advanced inventory management systems to keep track of every container. This ensures we can quickly locate and dispatch containers when they're needed. As you can see, we are using specialized equipment like cranes and forklifts to ensure that containers are handled safely and efficiently. On-site storage has more than 60 locations, which means that we can offer the best shipping container prices available in your area. When it comes to shipping containers, you can trust that we stand behind what we sell. All of our equipment is inspected so you know in advance the condition and grade of the container you ordered, so there are no delivery surprises. If you have any questions, our expert salespeople are here to help make the order process easy so you feel confident in your purchase. For more information, please visit onsitestorage.com or call us at 888-977-9085. I'll see you guys next time.